We considered two experiments to illustrate the importance of our method of learning from multiple demonstrations using trajectory-aware non-rigid registration. The first experiment we consider is picking up a bottle from a box containing distractor objects such as foam peanuts and a toy hammer. We record 5 demonstrations picking up the bottle from different positions in the box. We compare performance of our method against using a single demonstration and using a ablated version of our method. We evaluate performance in the test scene with the bottle positioned differently from all the given demonstrations. In the first method, we consider registration using only a single demonstration as in prior work. A demonstration is picked which is the closest to the test scene. In this rendering, the test points are shown in blue and the registered points of the demonstration are shown in red. The demonstration trajectory is warped according to the computed registration as is shown by the blue curve. This fails to grasp the bottle, as the single demonstration does not generalize well to the test scene. Secondly, we consider the performance of the ablated version of our method. This method only optimizes for the pairwise L2 distances, thus removing the trajectory-aware component. In this rendering, the test points are shown in blue, and the registered points of each of the demonstrations, along with corresponding warp trajectories, are shown in varied colors. The resulting trajectory is the mean of these trajectories and is shown in blue. We can see that the ablated method registered the box well at the expense of having the warp trajectories going towards various parts of the box. However, it missed the critical aspect of the task, that the trajectory should very precisely touch the top of the bottle. The resulting trajectory ends up missing the bottle and hence failing to grasp it and remove it from the box. In our method, we consider learning trajectory-aware non-rigid registration from multiple demonstrations. Our method was able to use the information from the multiple trajectories to register the correct object at the expense of registering the box, thus resulting in all the trajectories going to the tip of the bottle. The resulting trajectory shown in blue is a mean of these aligned trajectories. The resulting trajectory ends up grasping the bottle and hence succeeds in removing the bottle from the box. The next experiment we consider is folding a laid out towel such that the edge is lined up exactly with the piece of red tape on the table. We record 3 demonstrations with the tape at different lengths along the towel. As in the last experiment, we again compare the performance of the 3 methods. We evaluate performance on a test scene where the position of the tape is different from all the demonstrations. Firstly, we consider registration using only a single demonstration. The registration between the single demonstration scene and the test scene can't register the tape markers with enough precision while also registering all parts of the towel. The single demonstration method undershoots the red tape. Secondly, we consider the performance of the ablated version of our method. The ablated method was able to register the towels to each other, but the registration of the tape markers was still off, as can be seen from the warp point clouds. The resulting average of these warp trajectories ended up folding the towel such that the edge overshoots the red tape. Lastly, we considered the performance of our trajectory-aware method on this task. Our method minimized the variances of the warp trajectories along with minimizing L2 distance between point clouds, which contributed to aligning the warp point clouds of the tape markers. The resulting average of these trajectories ends up folding the towel so that the edge is well aligned with the red tape.